Trust International is a one-stop brand for digital lifestyle accessories. We operate on a global level and we try to develop increasingly clever and easy-to-use products. So a few years ago we wanted to upgrade our Dynamics ERP, and we had the BI solution at that time deeply connected in our ERP. So we wanted to have a kickstart, and the solution offered us immediate out-of-the-box 75% of what we needed. It also was a perfect fit between Dynamic ERP on the one hand and the Power BI solution that we wanted to use for data visualization on the other hand. So this also fits perfectly in our buy versus build strategy. So we buy what other people do better and we build what we do best ourselves. This wasn't it, so that's why I decided to do a buy in this case.
The biggest benefit of using Birds is a one source of truth. That's definitely a key for us. The insights which we have in the various markets are extremely important for us. The reason for that is, we are active as a brand in a lot of countries, but there are a couple of markets where we want to succeed. And that's very important for us to measure on a daily basis to make sure that our international teams are also performing in what we would like them to achieve. Like in every company, finance is very much a data-oriented thing, it's numbers in a sheet. And what I always find very important is to make the translation from a finance perspective, where it's still a sheet with numbers, to more visualization of that. And that's one of the key things to using tools like Power BI in order to get more insight into what are we actually seeing in the data. That's very important for me, and Power BI definitely gives us the ability for that.
So at Trust International, understanding the data of our processes and of our products, it really helps us drive our management agenda and our strategic decision making, allowing us to make more sound decisions of our future and scale and grow faster.